Good morning, children. So today onwards you started your like holidays, we can say study holidays because of the weather. You can see surrounding you people how the weather is so very cold, isn't it? So in this weather you cannot come to the classroom. So we will learn through the video. Then in English second we will see. Yesterday I was teaching you English first. Then today I will thought let me teach you English second, the poem, very interesting poem. According after seeing the weather, I thought this poem will be the best to learn. Then when we come to the lessons, the students English second, the poem name. What is the poem name? The Lake Isle of Ignis Free. The Lake Isle of Ignis Free. So this is the poem. Ignis Free means one place name in Ireland. And before going that, who has written this beautiful poem? It was written by W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats. He is the writer. So W.B. Yeats. So this Yeats was the person who was a totally different character, we can see. There are many poems we have seen, like before Home and Lovers we have learned. That also we see very beautiful about expressing the both two words that we have learned. And today this W.B. Yeats is also very interesting person, we can say. He was born in actually Dublin in Ireland, and he has studied in England. He went for the studies in England, and again he came back to the Ireland, and he started to, as he came, he has come in 1880, 1880. So in that year, he started writing his different kinds of story books, different, he started his writing, you can say, that may be a poems, that may be a lecture, that stories, different kinds of stories, giving, all the things he started. Then when he is doing that, finally he began to write many books and many things. Finally in 1880 he started, and then 1923 he got the first Nobel Prize. First Nobel Prize he has received in 1923. So now for his literature, what he has written, for that literature he has received a Nobel Prize in 1923 in this year. Then after that, when we come to the particular poem what we are going to discuss, this poem is it is about the nature. He is finding some peace. In his childhood onwards, he has a different mentality. The always used to think that he doesn't like the city life. He doesn't like the city life. He always wanted the fresh air. The nature should be pleasant. He should get the peace there in that particular area. And when he was small, actually once he has visited in an Ireland, then Ignis Free, that place. There, the place, why means already the poet was attracted to the place for the reason. Why he is attracted? Because he is there when he went to that particular place, he found that the peaceful, the quietness, the next one surrounded by the nature. Everywhere we can see the beautiful nature, beautiful flowers, lakes, the trees, small bushes, everything is there. And they are very quiet, no sound except the birds' sound, except the little animals what they make, except that he cannot hear any roadside thing, traffic sound or any other, nothing is there. So that is the reason he is very particularly fond of this Ignis Free, that place. Then we will go to the poem. So this poem lyrics is he expresses his feeling, longing for the nature, how much he is attracted, or how much he is edited for that nature surrounding places. His passion, we can say, he is very that much fond of that particular different kinds of places. He spends a time, a long time. As a boy also he used to go there and used to spend. So now we will see what he is feeling in this poem. I will rise and go now and go to the next spring. So I will rise. Now I will wake up and I will start going to the where I will go? Ignis Caves. So there I will be going. And a small cabin built there. So there is a small cabin already that are built one small cabin of clay and a vulture made. So vulture means what is that? W-A-T-T-L-E-R. So L-E-S. Vultures means you can see in your textbook they have given you the clear meaning. That is, we can say like usually covered with a line. That means it is making roof, wall or roof, we can say. A small exact modify on or a roof. So roof we can say. So this is small strong clay. With the clay they make. With the clay they make. Usually they are then usually covered with a clay. That is, with the clay they make it like a walls and different. So the cabin how he has made with a clay. It is covered with a clay and made of with a vultures. So vultures with the help of this I have made that one is done. And 9 bean rows will I have there. Next one. After that what is he telling? 9 bean row will I have there. So near surroundings I have some different kinds of vegetables, different kinds of things also I have there. A weave for the honey bee. So I have their weave also to get the honey bee. So the honey bees will be coming there and then I can get the very sweetest honey from them. Then I live along in the bean load glad. So in that open area, glad means we can say, glad means what? Open area we can say. Glad means open place, open area or open place. So open place we can say. In that open place, I feel like I live alone. Means in that particular area, I want to live alone, he is telling. Then I shall have some peace there. So he is telling, then I will be alone if I sit there, then I shall have some peace. How the peace will come, that also is explaining here. For peace comes dropping slow. So as the peace is coming from up, slowly it is a dropping. How it is dropping? In different 3 times are there: morning, afternoon and night. So how he is explaining in all that time? Dropping slow. Dropping from the wheels of the morning. So in the wheels is why we say why this wheel means what is we can say they cover to cover the woman. Actually they cover the face. They use that small. In that way, how when we cover the face, how it is coming dropping we can see. In there we can see the half of the part. When we put the veil here, can we see clearly? We cannot. Means we can see, but it is not very clear. Clearly we cannot see all the images. So in that way, morning time it starts. Then noon and noon a purple glow. So noon time what? Waves of the morning. To there the cricket sings. Means grasshoppers morning time. So when the grasshoppers start singing, how it sounds exactly in that way. here morning time, the how the piece is dropping. The piece is dropping from the slowly dropping how in the morning time, waves of the morning to where the cricket sings, means grasshopper sings. When the grasshopper sings, how it is sounds exactly I hear. Next, what he is telling, their midnights all a glimmer and noon purple glow. So midnight is a glimmer, means shining, like a shining type it comes piece, and noon time like a purple color. Purple color is different. So in that how the purple color glow, according to that the piece will be coming. The evening full of linnet wings. So full of linnet wings means the shining insects will be there, we can say. So the shining birds type, bird wings we can say. In that way, when the birds are moving, how it is going slowly in linnet wings. So exactly like that, the piece will be dropping down. I will rise and go now, for always night and day. I hear lake water lapping with the low sounds of the shore. So what is telling again? Why I go? I get up and I go day and night. I feel like staying there. Why? Because there are the lakes. In that particular lakes, when I sit in that my small cabin room and if I hear the sound of the lake limping, so lapping with a low sound. So lapping means what? The moving gentle waves. Lapping means what? Moving gentle waves. So in the gentle way, the sounds he hears from the shore. He can hear that water flowing. When the water is flowing slowly, the sound he can hear. The next one, what is telling? While I stand on the roadway or in the pavement green, I hear in the deep harsh road. So this all when I go to the roadside, there also innermost means if I go to the roadside, near that road is there. If I go that side also, if I deeply core means what? Innermost. If I go to the inner part of my mind, then also I can hear, imagine that I can feel that the sound of the lake, the sound of the birds, the way they are singing, the honeybee, how it moves. Then all the parts of the area, they are different, morning or night, that is not a matter for me. If I am going to the hemisphere, there I spend my time with a pleasant mind. When I come back from that particular place, I feel that I come with a lot of happiness, the overjoy. My mind is full of peace and quiet, and I enjoy that moment. So that is the reason I go to this place, to get a peace of mind, to find myself in different way, to bring out myself in different ways. So this is the way W.H.A. has explained the poem. So I hope you have understood this poem. Word power, your word meaning is there. Please read out that word meaning, and I will be giving you the question and answers as a PDF I will give. You have to, you know already, you have to write the 8 lines of the poem in your copy, and the word power. The next question and answers I will be giving you reference to the context also. Everything you have to complete in your copy. So please learn this poem, 8 lines of the poem, and read you also one more time so that you will understand a little more clearly. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.